And part 4, a postscript. I forgot to mention this. After I did this drawing, I had sent a photograph of it to a college friend who lives in Illinois, now retired foreign language German lit professor, Andy. And he said, "You should do more like that." And I remember thinking to myself, oh, if only Herbert Reed would come out from the spirit world and say, "Akiva, here's Sir Herbert. You should do more like that." But, the magic of art making has it that you can't always do what you want to do. It just happens. That's the magic of what Sir Herbert wrote about in the book To Hell with Culture. But 10 years later, I got this in just in the nick of time. It's going to be December on Sunday? December 2019, 10 years later. Well, here we go. Andy, I'm following your recommendation. I should do more like that. I'm doing more like that. All right. Basta. Enough.